Hello everyone. I am Krishnith, MCA student, Kannur University. Today talking about granularity of data items. Introduction. What is granularity? Granularity refers to the size of levels of detail of data items that can be locked or accessed in a DBMS. It determines how much data a transaction lock at one time. Importance. Affected concurrency control influences system performance, determines conflict detection accuracy. Why granularity matters? DMS must balance concurrency and consistency. Finer granularity means more concurrent transaction. Coarser granularity, simpler but less concurrent access. Granularity levels. Type of granular data items. First one, database level, the entire DB. Second one, file or table level, one full table. Third one, page level, a block of records. Example, 8 KB. Fourth one, tuple or row level, individual rows. At fifth one, attribute or field levels, in specific columns or fields. Granularity. Example, locking a whole table during a transaction. Advantages: low lock management overhead, easy implementation. Disadvantages: low concurrency, potential bottlenecks. Next one, fine granularity. Example, locking individual records or fields. Advantages: high concurrency, better utilization of DB resources. Disadvantages: high overhead, more complex locking mechanisms. Comparison tables. Fine granularity was coarse granularity. Features. First one, lock scope. Fine, small. Example, field. Coarse, large. Example, table. Next feature, concurrency. Fine granularity high, coarse granularity low. Features. Next, locking overhead. Fine granularity high, coarse granularity low. Next feature, deadlock risk. Fine granularity higher, coarse granularity lower. Next feature, use case. Fine granularity OLTP systems, coarse granularity OLAP or batch systems. Intention locks helps manage hierarchical locking efficiently, allow the DBMs to lock high-level nodes while signing lower-level access. Types. IS is intent to set shared lock below. IX intent to set exclusive locks below. 6. Shared on parent, exclusive on some children. Hierarchical locking used in multi-granularity environments allows locking at different levels. Example, tables plus rows. Hierarchical locking example, IX locks on table, X locks on row. Use a graphics to show hierarchy, database into table into page into row. Show intention and actual locks at each level for a sample transaction. Deadlocks and granularity. Finer granularity increase risk of deadlocks. Requires better deadlock detection and timeout handling. Coarse locking reduce the risk but at a cost to concurrency. Use case scenarios. Application type and preferred granularity. First one, banking system. Fine granularity is used per accounts. Second one, data warehouse. There, coarse granularity is used entire table. Next application, e-commerce orders. Fine granularity is used per order or rows. Fourth application, analytics reports. Coarse granularity is used batch queries. Performance considerations. First one, lock overhead. Managing thousands of fine grains logs cost CPU memory. Throughput. Increase in finer granularity. Last one, latency. May improve with fine granularity if contention is minimized. Summary. Granularity determines locking scope. Trade-off between overhead and concurrency. Use multi-level locking with intention locks for flexibility. Choose granularity based on workload type. Thank you.